Shakir's family is a family that are silk producers for 4 generations now. In 1954, Yannis and Vangelis Chakiris, that they were two brothers, opened the silk factory. Yannis has a son, Mr. George Chakiris, who is now the owner of the business. He took over the business around the 90s, and he also wanted to find ways to elevate the silk production because there was a crisis during those years. And he also went to study in Italy about silk, and that's when he also saw the digital printing on silk fabrics. So the two big main things are the factory and the museum. The main department is the digital print and finishing department, where they make the fabrics and they dye the fabrics, the finished fabric. There's also the weaving department for the fabric production. And in 2023, it was a new room that was added in the factory. It's a special room for the silkworm farming. And then there's also the reeling machine for the yarn making of the silk. During 2006, George Chakiris decided to open the Silk Museum. In the museum, we would do a guided tour, the whole process of the silkworm farming until the weaving of the fabric. The tour is mainly explained around old machines and how they were doing it by hand in older times. And at the entrance, there's also the museum shop, which there we mainly sell products of the factory, like scarves. The shop also has other handmade accessories that we make in the museum and other craft people that we have a collaboration with. The museum also has a connection with a handicraft center. There's a lot of space, and there's also room for the workshops to be done, because here in the museum, it's not so easy to do crafts and have the tools and all the means you need to do it. The museum is a platform for these educational workshops, and we organize it in order to educate people that are interested in silk, and they are either designers or artists that want to find inspiration for new projects, or just people that want to do something creative on their own. And at the center is the tailor shop. Mainly the tailor shop has fabrics, and also there they work the women that make the scarves. All these corners are done by hand. It's not easy to make a good finishing with the stitching machine. It's a process that a lot of people work around it. That's why I mentioned the craft people. The costumers. The main costumers of the factory are mainly fashion designers. And we have this unique silk product that for now, it is the only place in Greece that you can find it. So people come and want to take something very special, because silk is a very good fabric. There's also demand for sustainable products as well. I would say that silk in general is sustainable on its own because it's a natural fiber. We have added scarves with natural dyes. It's something that I do personally, and I do it in the Handicraft Center. We create designs with the techniques of eco-print and tie-dye also, and Sibori. And we call this the Resilk project because we utilize the waste of the factory.